If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When entering purchases and invoicing customers in Sage 50 Accounting, you can optionally assign items and services to customer jobs. This lets you compare actual costs to estimated costs and actual revenue to estimated revenue. If tracking job costs and revenues, you can run several job reports. To open a report showing the transactions for your jobs in Sage 50 Accounting, run the Jobs Ledger report by selecting Reports and Forms, Jobs from the menu bar. Ensure the Reports tab is selected. Then select the Job Ledger from the list of reports. Then click the Display button at the top of the Select a Report or Form window to view the transactions for the different jobs and the totals for the jobs. Notice that there are several different reports you can create for your jobs. We will discuss creating and customizing reports in the chapter titled Reporting. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.